In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vote in Microsoft Loop, a powerful tool for collaboration and decision-making within teams. Whether you're working remotely or in an office, knowing how to efficiently use tools like Microsoft Loop can enhance productivity and streamline communication. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you're going to want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever you regularly use. In the search bar, you'll type in Microsoft Loop. Hit Enter, and this will bring up the appropriate link to get you started with accessing the application. Once you've reached the website, the next step is to sign in. Make sure you have your Microsoft account credentials ready. If you're already signed in, it should take you directly to the main interface without requiring you to enter them again. Signing in ensures that your votes and any changes you make will be properly recorded and synced with your account. Once you're successfully signed in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Loop page or the specific workspace where the voting table you're interested in is located. If you have several workspaces, take a moment to ensure you're accessing the correct one. This is key, especially if your organization uses multiple workspaces for different projects or teams. Look for the particular table where votes are to be cast. It's always helpful to check with your team if any navigation paths or naming conventions have recently changed, just in case. Now that you've reached the correct page, it's time to make your vote count. Within the table displayed on the workspace, you should see several voting options listed. Carefully read through each option to ensure you choose the one that aligns with your preference. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and click on the option you want to vote for. This action is what registers your choice within the system. It's a straightforward step, but also an important one, as your vote contributes to the decision-making process of your team or organization. After you've clicked on your chosen option, you'll notice that the table will automatically update to reflect your vote. There's no need to save manually or refresh the page. The system handles everything for you in real time, providing immediate feedback on how the votes are accumulating. This seamless update helps to keep the process transparent and ensures that everyone can see the most current voting outcomes. If any issues arise, such as your vote not appearing, double-check your internet connection and reload the page if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of voting in Microsoft Loop. By following these simple steps, you can effectively participate in team decision-making and contribute to achieving collective goals. This tool is just one of many ways to enhance your collaboration and ensure your voice is heard in virtual spaces. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.